Merry Christmas, belated, and a Happy New Year 2019. Okay, and I'm back with this video for the first half of this year. Actually, this year I have purchased few bags, but you know I'm going to do the unboxing next year, which is like probably on the 2nd January I will do the more unboxing. Yeah, but today I'm going to reveal what I got yesterday from Chanel store, and this is it. Yeah, of course, absolutely the small item. Yeah, and you can see this is Cavalier, and this Cavalier is quite interesting because it has the golden flowers here and the white Cavalier as usual. Very interesting. And this is the ribbon. Yeah, the ribbon is quite interesting as well. Yeah, golden lining. Yeah, okay, and so let's get started. I hope everyone is doing well. Yeah, and so let's get started. I have been busy this year, and I stopped doing unboxing, but now I feel like, oh, I want to do it again, so why not back to this YouTube community, right? Yeah, this is the receipt. Yeah, I know there is tons of review out there. Yeah, so but I just want to share my color. What I got, this color is great for me. I have been searching for like 5 years for this color, but I never got it. I have never seen Chanel produce this color in these 5 years, or maybe because I always go there late and then sold out very quickly. I'm not sure, but I have been trying to search for this color for like these past 5 years. Yeah, trust me. Okay, so this is booklet. Yeah, booklet. Okay, Petite Machinery. This is purse. Okay, this is a booklet. Yeah, right. So let's get started. This is a velvet vest bag. I love it. So you can see this is the color I got it. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Wow, gorgeous bag. Yeah. So this is the one I got yesterday. So it's Cavalier, yeah. It's Cavalier. Love it very much. So I love it. Love her so bad. It's pink, yeah. I have never seen a purse in pink from Chanel, so I cannot let her go. I have purse, I must have her. Alright, and then this is the authentic card. Yeah. Okay, so let me review you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can put the credit card here and banknotes. Yeah, and this side too. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoy watching. Goodbye guys, and see you again next year. I'm going to unbox my Chanel mini rectangular and the Louis Vuitton bag I have got. Okay, bye.